Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Keeper or KP3R token. In my previous video, we were watching how the price line of Keeper broke out the resistance of the falling wedge. That was the pattern, in fact, I shared for my members at the Patreon on 16th of December when the price line just broke out the resistance of this falling wedge on the daily time frame. Let me show you this chart, and then I'll take you to the live chart to show you what the price line can do next. And here we can see that the price line was moving in this falling wedge since November 2021, and here on 16th of December it just broke out the resistance, and this was the recent swing low. Therefore I set my stop loss below this level and suggested my members as well. And by the way, I'm also sharing different trading ideas here at the Patreon for my members. And if you would like to support me here, then I've also shared the link to join me here in the video's description. You can find there. And our first target was $1,342, and the second and final target was here at this resistance, that was $1,940. Now, after playing the chart, we can see that the price line from $780 rallied even beyond this sell target that I defined as per this falling wedge pattern. It's taking some time. Within few movements we will see how the price line behaved after posting this chart. You can see exactly there where I shared this final target, exactly there moved and rejected by this resistance. This was really very strong resistance. And this $1,342 is also very strong resistance. Let me show you on the daily time frame. Now here we can see that after this rally the price line moved down, and if I place the Fibonacci tool from this low to this high, then exactly at 0.618, that is the golden ratio. Even though we had a spike, long spike up to 0.786, but we have the the complete body of the candlestick here at 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level, and from here it is getting reversed bullish to the upside, moving to the upside, but we still have this $1,342 resistance level. And if we switch to the 4-hourly time frame, then price line is struggling to break it out. Now if we again watch on this daily time frame, as in my last video I was telling you that we have formed an up channel here. This is the resistance of the channel, and here we have the support of the newly formed up channel. And you can see that the price line has broken down the support of this up channel. That is a really very bad thing, and it is possible that the price line will be rejected by this resistance of $1,342 and the resistance of the up channel that can now work as a strong support, strong resistance, and also this exponential moving average 21 as well. You can see during this this drop, the price line has also broken down this EMA 21 as well. So we have three resistance like EMA 21, this $1,342 resistance level, the price level resistance, and this resistance of the previous support of the channel that is now working as a resistance. We need to break it out, and if the price line will further move to the upside then and break it out this resistance and re-enter the channel, then it can immediately move up to the next resistance of this channel here, approximately at $2,100. It depends where it will hit this resistance of the channel. However, if it will be completely rejected, then it can move down to the previous support. And you can see exactly from here we are already we got bounced. That is approximately at $1,000, and then the next support will be approximately at $700. So next few hours or days are really very important for Keeper because it is struggling at the very significant resistance, and if it will be re-entered the channel, then it can continue its uptrend. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I have shared. Take care. Goodbye.